I'm Shantes Epilation, and today I'm going to be trying on this outfit from TikTok, and I want y'all to come try it on with me. Let's go. All right, so this is the outfit.
Ooh, that look cute.
This is a two-piece crop top and skirt set. It's in all white, and it has spaghetti straps. One thing I like about this is it's a Capella rugs, or you see in the middle how it's kind of bunched up. It gives it a slight compression around the mid area, but it's nice and stretchable like this. So it fits snug, but it's also comfortable.
Oh, okay, that's good, because I got a little fupa, honey.
All right, so this is how I look on the side. This is the profile. Let me turn around to the back. Make sure you get the line straight, because there's like a line in the back. Make sure you get that straight. I couldn't see it. But all right, so yeah, that's it right there. Oh yeah, I have on biker shorts underneath because it's a little thin. So I just put that on to add on an extra layer.
What size you wearing?
I'm wearing a size medium, but it's very stretchable, so even if you order the wrong size, it wouldn't matter. Okay, so now I'm about to take off my bonnet so you can see my hair. But yeah, this right here completes my look. Well, almost, because I'm about to put on. All right, so it's gonna be a complete look. Make sure you go to my TikTok at Shantes Epilation if you want to purchase this TikTok outfit. It's going to be right there in my shopping cart. Just go to my video with me trying on the outfit, and then you can press on the marketplace and you can go ahead and go directly to there and order yours today. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Oh, if you want to see more of these, then go ahead and comment below. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Peace.
Thank you, girl.